Good morning, everybody. It is now, what time does it say? 1:42 in the morning. We are still calm here. It is quiet. You see where the eye is. We still have power and everything. All is good for us right now. We- We are at 120 miles an hour. You see Key West, you see the eye, Dade County, and Broward County. 1:43 in the morning. This is the best crew. That's Craig Sensor on the right. Setzer. And the man who's talking now is Jim DeFeedy. So Key West is going to be hit hard. They're talking about an accident that occurred in, I think, Marathon or Key West somewhere, where they found a car wrapped around a tree. I think it was the first death, maybe related to the storm. I'm not sure, but it happened in Marathon. You must stay off the streets. It is a false sense of security. It haven't even reached Key West yet. By 8 o'clock in the morning, it should be at Key West. And we are roughly 4 hours from Key West. We are the same distance from Key West as we are to Orlando. 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. to hit Miami-Dade County. We are going to feel it either way. This is the morning post at roughly 1:45 in the morning, and it is very quiet here. We pray to our friends in the south. Thank you for your great reporting, WFOR CBS Miami. Florida City. This is in Homestead. Okay, people, be safe out there.